Lululemon. It is a company that manufactures athletic clothing which was founded in 1998. Its first product was yoga wear, but now they are providing a variety of products like sports jackets, hoodies, joggers, running shoes, leggings and underwear, etc. With these graphs, you can easily understand the growth chart of Lululemon. With the help of specialization, community engagement, premium products, innovative stores and strong brand identity which are better than Nike and Adidas. Chip Wilson, the founder of Lululemon in 1997, while doing yoga, he got an idea to make yoga apparel for women using a proprietary skin-tight fabric. In a company named Lululemon, there is a concept used behind this. Here, 3 times L sound Western to Japanese buyers who often have difficulty pronouncing the letter. He later remarked that why Japanese liked my previous brand because it was L word in it. Because in Japanese marketing firm would not come up with brand name L in it. So he think that in that company, if I put the L 3 times, then maybe the profit becomes the 3 times. Company first store was launched in 2000 in Vancouver, Canada. Year to year, company sales were increasing. Later in 2007, Chip decided to sell the $18.2 million to a former co-president of Starbucks, Christian Day. In 2013, the founder Chip Wilson announced his resignation as a charm and Laurent Devin became the CEO of Lululemon. Lul want to expand their business in Europe also, so in 2014, first store was opened in London, a flagship shop in Covent Garden. In 2015, Wilson announced that he was resigning from the board and Michael Casey, former lead director of the board, would replace him. How Lululemon beats the Nike and Adidas. Specialization. Lululemon makes a strong focus on yoga wear which helped it to build a loyal customer base. While other brands like Nike and Adidas, they offered a variety of products, so focus on single product is too much better than making several variety of products at a time. Community engagement. Lululemon provides a different way to attract people by providing a free yoga classes and organizing a local events. With the help of these, there will become a strong relationship between customer and Lululemon. Premium products. There is no doubt that clothes Nike and Adidas provides which are of high quality as well as little bit expensive, but the Lululemon provides more high quality stylishing, designing. These are more expensive, but customer also feels the comfort. Innovative stores. This one concept is different from other because they often served as a community hubs where people can meet, exercise and socialize, etc.